Welcome back to the Pneumatic Lab. Today we have something interesting. I found old valve. It's 5-2 valve. I know it's like was in my past projects, and it was like on the machinery, but it broke down. So if you can see here, it's 5-2 monostable because it's changed positions only when we have electricity. When electricity disappears, it changes it back. And I thought it will be funny, interesting to assemble it and see what inside of it. So let's get started. I will take only this plate just because I don't know what is inside of this valve. Maybe it's a ton of oil or something, but we will figure out it soon enough. So let's start. Oh. Okay, we have here spring. This spring is for return this small cylinder that is inside of valve. The thing to take it out, we need to unscrew this part first. Okay, this is a pilot valve and the coil, but we will look at it a little bit later. Here we have a body of the valve. Yeah, we also here see this cylinder, but I think this is way how we can get it out. Whoop. And how can we see? Here's a dirt inside. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O-rings. Yeah, but I think problem was this side because we have here like dry mud. It's not even not mud. It's something with metal. Oops, something with metal here in this part. Yeah, but the other side is pretty clean. So what literally happens when we have electrical signals? This cylinder, what is inside, just moves on one way, and from this part we have spring. So this spring, when electricity is off, pull cylinder back, change direction or airflow. It's kind of simple as that. It just aluminum metal block, nothing special, but actually, yeah, pretty interesting with this all grooves inside. Yeah, about pilot valve. It's not so simple. A lot of people think that valve is changing position only because of electricity, but it's not quite true, because if we try to see here, it's kind of difficult, but I will put pictogram here bigger. We have direction of the flow. The reason is because almost all valves have small channel that gives pressurized air to this to this pilot valve. And actually it's not one valve, it's two valves, like big one and the small one, pilot valve. Let's unscrew this also. Oop. Yeah, how you can see here, I think this is a channel where this small valve got this air supply, and when we give electricity to coil, it's just lift up this little valve, and their air can go from this port to this port, and this port is pressing on this surface, and it's go like that way, and this is how it moves our piston cylinder in this valve. So we pressurized outlet inlet 1, air going through small channel to this valve, going from channel 1 to channel 2, press this surface move this piston. When electricity is gone, this small channel is like closed. Also, it's like 3-2 valve because it's depressurized, this second channel. There is no pressure, and here we have a spring, so this spring just mechanically move cylinder back, and we have this first basic position. So basically it is it. If you like it, please comment below, say that I like it, and maybe we can disassemble something also else, cylinder or some other valve. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.